Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited for this video. We have completed the 100 envelopes challenge. We're supposed to have $5,050, but I think we have $5,049 because I remember I was $1 short one day. So we're gonna unstuff these. I'm gonna fast forward some of it or do some of it off camera, and then we're gonna count it up, and then we're gonna put it in our Roth IRA account. So yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great day. Is this your first time visiting my channel? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and my husband and I are consumer debt free right now, and I am using our extra, our spending money, the extra money that we have to spend. I'm using it to prepare for retirement. In addition to, of course, I have a 401k and all that stuff at my job, but you're gonna need more than 401k. So yeah, we're gonna unstuff these envelopes. I originally did this 100 envelope challenge to fund my Roth IRA. I am 50 years old, so I can max out my Roth IRA at $7,000. So this will get me well over 50% of it. So this will be about 75% of it. So this will be $5,049. And then I'll finish up the comment challenge and the like challenge that were created by the beautiful Crystal over at Budget by the Bag. So I finish up that challenge to get the other $2,000. Then whatever we have left, I'll put it either towards my mortgage or towards our windows that we have to pay for. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to put these back over here because I'm going to need to put the money over here on my tray. So yeah, so this challenge was fun. Now I see why people are addicted, because I used to be like, why they do so many challenges? I see why. It is addictive. I never would have thought I would be able to save this money like this. It's just something about the cash money. You just don't spend it for some reason. I already know why. I've told you on several occasions, because we are emotionally attached to money. So by us being emotionally attached, we do not want to let it go. So I'm making a mess over here, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna start taking the money out. And play a little music. So we're gonna take this money out and put it in. Gotta get some kind of rhythm here, because I'm all over the place. So I've been enjoying watching these videos of people sharing what their goals are for 2022. Let me know in the comment section what some of your goals are. I did a video telling you about my goals, and I'll link that video up above if you're interested. So yeah. And I'm also in the process of creating a video telling you what were some of my greatest accomplishments in 2021, not just financially, spiritually, emotionally, socially, all areas of my life, because life is about more than just finances. Finances is a big part of it, but we got to do more than just save money and spend money. So I'm gonna finish this off camera and I'll be back. I'm finished. That was a lot of work, people. Let me just tell you that right now. Whew. Let me do my thumbnail, then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now let's count it all up. Whew. I'm gonna do the ones first. Don't get them out the way. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. 76. You're gonna start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Plus 122, 198 in ones. One denomination down, I don't know how many to go. So we got 198. So let's do the 5. So kind of a little faster. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 255. Alright, let's add it. 453 so far. So we got the 5s. Let's do the 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40. 340 in tens. 793. Ooh, let's do the 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. 2, 20, 40, 60, 80. 3, 20, 40, 60, 80. 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. 5, 20, 40, 60, 80. 6, 20, 40, 60, 80. 7, 20, 40, 60, 80. 8, 20, 40, 60, 80. 9, 20, 40, 60, 80. 1,000. $20, $40, $60, $80. $1, $20, $40, $60, $80. $2, $20, $40, $60, $80. $3, $20, $40, $60, $80. $4, $20, $40, $60, $80. $5, $20, $40, $60, $80. $6, $20, $40, $60, $80. $7, $20, $40, $60, $80. $8, $20, $40, $60, $80. $9, $20. Let me count that one more time. 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. 2, 20, 40, 60, 80. 3, 20, 40, 60, 80. 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. 5, 20, 40, 60, 80. 6, 20, 40, 60, 80. 7, 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh Lord, I done messed up. Let me add that $1. I'm gonna do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that's wrong. I had 920. So let's see. I'm gonna have to subtract something. Leave it up to Mrs Vee. I always mess it up some. So that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay. Why y'all ain't tell me I was 20 off? 900. So I added 920. So I'm gonna subtract 20 from this total. So it should be right. 26.94. So let's see what we got with 50s. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000. $36.94. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000. 46.94. 51, 52, 350. $5,044. I'm off $6. Well, that's what we're gonna put in the bank. Okay, we're gonna go with that. $5,044. So yeah, so that's it. I finished the 100 envelope challenge. Thank you for tuning in. I'll put all this money up. I think I'm doing a little bill exchange. My first bill exchange before I take all these big bills back to the bank. So yeah, this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.